Hi Husky Pups, Miss Fellows here, and we're going to be working on reviewing some addition and subtraction problems. The lesson for today is on page 453, and there's page 453, and we're going to start off with the story problem. The directions go like this. Help Jada solve the equation. Solve any way you choose. Explain to your special someone how you solve this problem. We'll give you a minute to think about what the ways that you're going to solve the problem. Hi Husky Pups, glad you were working hard talking with your special someone about this math problem. Let's read it together. 1 plus 2 equals, and we don't know what it's going to be, or maybe you do. Now, when you see this sign right here, that means we're going to add or put things together. Let's illustrate what we have down here. 1, so you can draw anything you'd like. I'm going to use circles because that's quick. And then plus, that means we're going to add how many to that? 2, right. So we're going to add 2. Now, when we see equals, that means how many all together? 1, 2, 3. How many are all together? 3. And since this tape is right here, I'm going to write the sum right here. 1 plus 2 equals 3. I'm going to write the number sentence again. 1 plus 2 equals, how many in all? What's the sum? 3. That's right. You're so smart. 3. Let's read that number sentence together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Good job. Hi Husky Pups, math again. And on this page, page 454, we're going to be looking at this equation. 3 plus 2 equals what? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now he's thinking here, could it be 3? And then he has 3, and then 2 more. What number comes right after 3? 4. What number comes after 4? 5. So that's 2 numbers you just said. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, this is for addition. When he's thinking about subtracting, the number sentence is 3 minus 1 equals, and he's going to try to figure out that answer. So he's going to illustrate here, and I'm going to go over it so you can see a little better. 3 minus, or take away, or put an X on, 1. And how many are left? And the number word for that is called the difference. How many are left? How many do we have left? You are so smart. You said 2. I heard you all the way from your house to this school. 2. That's the difference. And the number sentence we read is, read it with me. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Awesome job. Now, down here at the bottom, and over here on page 455, I'm going to do the first one, the one with the star, and then I'm going to get your mom and dad to pause the video, and then you can do the rest of it with your special someone. Let's look right here on the star. I'm putting my finger right here, and our number sentence says 4 plus, that means we add, 1 equals 5. And you're going to trace that number. Let's illustrate. How many are we going to draw? And you know I love circles, so we're going to draw circles. Did you say 4? You are so smart. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And then we're going to add how many more? Did you say 1? You're exactly right. 4 plus 1 equals, and what's our sum? How many all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numeral that we're going to write right here is 5. Let's read our number sentence together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good. Now, I want you to look on the next one with the apple, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and I want you to do that with your special someone. When you get to number 7, stop, and then we will do number 8 together. We will do number 8 together. So get mom and dad to pause the video, take a few minutes to do this, and I'll come right back with the answers. Bye, see you in a minute. And we're back. Check these answers to make sure that you wrote the correct numeral that you see up here. And for number 8, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But number 8, the shadow from my head was covering it up. But you can also do number 8, but we'll do that together. I'll give you a minute to check your answers, and then we'll move on to number 8. Okay? For number 8, the one with the flag, the number sentence reads, 4 minus or take away 2 equals, what would that be? Let's illustrate. Since we have minus or take away, that means we're going to start with how many? You have it, 4. And then we're going to put an X or a line or whatever, or mark it out any way you want to. And I'm going to use an X minus how many? That's right, 2. And how many are left? What's your difference? Did you say 2? You are absolutely correct. Let's read that one together. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Kiss your brain, boys and girls. You did an awesome job. I'll be right back. All right, Husky Pups, are you up for the challenge? Let's do 2 more pages, and we'll be through with this unit. On pages 456 and page 457, we're going to continue to talk about addition and subtraction problems. Let's do the first one together, then we'll do the rest of the ones at home with your special someone, and then we'll come back and check your answers. Okay? All right, here we go. For number 9, put your finger on the picture of the kite. Number 9. We have 4 minus 1 equals, and what's the difference going to be? So we're going to illustrate. We see we have subtraction or take away, so we're going to start with 4. And we're going to put an X or subtract 1. And how many are going to be left? How many? Write the number. Write the numeral. Great job. If you said 3, you are correct. Now, what I'm going to let you do is do these other 2 pages together. When you get to problem 14, this is very tricky. I will give you a hint. It involves the number 0. And I'm going to let you figure that out with your special someone. And then on page 457, you do the same thing again. I'll be back in a flash to give you the correct answers. Bye. How did you do, boys and girls? Let's check. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus, what's that number? 0 equals 5. Like if you have 5 fingers and you don't take any of them down, you still have 5. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Moving on to page 457, 1 plus 1 equals 2, and that tape is right there, so I put it over to the side. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And the last one is 5 minus 4 equals 1. Great job, Husky Pups. I'm back. Last page for this unit, page 458. And we're going to do this just like we did on the other 2 pages that you did before. We're going to do the first one together, then you can do the rest of it with your special someone, and when you get to the end of the page, stop. Let's look up here, number 5, with the hand. 5 minus 3 equals And what will the answer be? So we're going to illustrate. 5. This is subtract or take away, so we're going to put an X on how many? You're right, 3. 5 minus 3 equals, and how many are left? That's the difference. You knew that, didn't you? 2. Let's read our number sentence together. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Very good. Now, I want you to stop the video, and with your special someone, complete the rest of these number sentences. Be very careful right here when you illustrate. We've done some of this in previous lessons, so make sure that you illustrate. And then you have the difference, but you have to find how many that you're taking away. On this one, for number 10, all you have to do is remember you're adding, and I'll give you a hint. Remember your friend, Zero the hero. For this one, illustrate, and I'll come back with the answers in a flash. Bye. Here are the correct answers for problems 6 through 10. Check your answers to see if you are correct. And when you're done, kiss your brain and thank your mom or dad or your special someone for helping you with your math today. Awesome jobs, Husky Pups. See you soon. Bye.